shit. God damn. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video, I'll just be showing you guys. Yes, I know it looks kind of weird because I have a full beat face on and I don't have any eyeliner, eyeshadow, or lashes, but that's the reason of this video. We're just gonna be doing a cute lid look, super easy lid look. Oh, I did get my hands on Salt and Peppa's collab with Milani. It's called Very Necessary. It is an eyeshadow palette and it also has a highlighting color in it. So these are the shades. So these are the shades in the palette. Definitely 80s 90s type vibes, metallic gold shimmers, all of that. So yeah, that they definitely did nail it with that. So just by looking at this, I think, okay, so first of all, I'm going to go in with another palette just to do a transition color. This palette does not have transition colors, obviously. It's just, you know, so I'm going to do a little transition of a color, and then we're just going to add, I think that I'm stuck in between, it's called Turn Me On. So I'm stuck in between Turn Me On, Summertime Man, and None of Your Business. So I think, with the way my hair is, I think I should go with the greens. I think I'm gonna do the greens, and then this isn't their lip, of course, but I'm going to do their lip combination that they have. I'm going to add that on there. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So I'm gonna zoom up just so you guys can be able to really see what I'm doing for the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna be using my James Charles palette for the transition colors in here. So I'm gonna take my Tarte Tape Shape Concealer and prime my eyelids, and then we're just gonna do what we do. So my eyes are primed with how they need to be, and now I'm going to go in with my James Charles palette, use a couple browns in there. If you do not know about the James Charles palette, you need to get it together. So yeah, so we're just going to go in right here, put that on, and then blend it on at tutty. And I'm only doing one eye on camera just to save time. So then after I do that, I'm just gonna go in with a darker brown. Just so it transitions easier into the other color. And don't mind my wig, y'all. I did not lay it down just because I just really did not feel like laying my wig down. So don't come at me like you crazy because I'll eat your ass. But now that we have that in, I'm gonna do a slight tiny, no, you know what? Actually, I'm just gonna take my wipe, my baby wipe, and just kind of like wipe. Well, actually, no, I forgot something so important. Okay, so with that green, how we're gonna be putting it, I just want to darken up this spot right here. So we're just adding a little product right there, just to darken it up a little bit. I'm just gonna take my brush, the brush that I just used, and I'm just wiping it off, getting all that excess and then we're just gonna blend the top. Alright, so then now I'm going to take my concealer, but I'm not going to use my expensive concealer. I'm actually going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and we're just going to pat that kind of around where the where I kind of want that shimmer to be. This is not a cut crease at all, so it's not a cut crease. And then I'm just going to take this and kind of just dab it in there, just like that. And now I'm gonna take my hand and I'm gonna use, first I'm gonna go in with Turn Me On. That's the darker metallic one that doesn't have the like super shimmer, and I'm gonna use both of them. So I'm gonna go, ooh, that's really cute. That's really cute. I was not expecting it to look this good on my eyes. That's really cute. Wow, that's cute. Alright, that's really cute. Okay, so then we're gonna take our brush that we use for the brown and just kind of blend that in. I think I'm just gonna use Turn Me On, and that just be it, because it's really, really cute. And I'm gonna do a wing liner, of course. Yes. Oh my god, this is really pretty. Really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. Next, I'm going to what I'm going to do is darken up that spot right there so the transition looks a little bit better. Really light. So I'm just gonna go put on lashes, do some on my under eye, and I will be back to give you guys exactly the review, my initial thoughts on this. So be back. I have my lashes on, and then I'm just gonna take that Turn Me On again and put it under here. And then, you know what, y'all, I'm just coming up with all types of stuff, but I think I'm gonna put a little gold in my tear duct. All right, y'all, I'm about to zoom out and then we're gonna talk about it. Okay, we're gonna talk about this because we need to talk about this. All right, guys, so this is the, oh shit, god damn. Actually, now that we have our eyes all finished, I'm gonna put the lip combo on my lips. I will link my video to this down below in the description box, because I did a review just on the lip combo. I know that look crazy, but that's what the lip liner is for. They knew what they was doing. You can't give us black girls a freaking lip like this without a lip liner. You can't. It's just not right. So as a black girl, you can wear any lip you want, just as long as you got the right lip liner. All right, bam, there we go. Oh my god. I'm feeling myself, like, oh my god, that looks so good. You cute. All right, you guys, so that is the final look for today using our Salt and Pepper and Milani palette. So let me just say a few things about it. So first of all, pigmented, very, very, very pigmented. I wasn't expecting it to be this pigmented, but it's pigmented. Like, bro, they nailed that one. They nailed that one. This green emerald color is so bomb on me. It looks so good. Even though, you know, I did have to add transition colors, of course, but that's okay. You have to expect that, especially when you're when you have all these crazy colors. You gotta have transition colors to transition everything just so it blends how it's supposed to blend. It blends great, of course. Definitely, definitely, definitely do love this palette. No fallout, no fallout at all. Like, no fallout. That's great. No fallout. Me, fallout don't hurt me, you know. But okay, so if I do my face and then I do my eyeshadow last, I'm big on, like, I don't really want no fallout. But if I'm doing my eyeliner and eyeshadow first, I don't really care about no fallout. It is what it is. So yeah, so anyways, that's pretty much all I have to say about this beautiful, 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 beautiful palette. It's really nice. I love it. They had another one, but this is the one I got. I might just have to go grab the other one and the other lip combo just to support, and just so I can have it on hand so I can do what I gotta do. I might take this on vacation with me when I go on my birthday vacation. I can't say where I'm going yet, but yeah, so yeah, definitely love it. Make sure you go get one. Very, very affordable. Milani is just affordable in general. That's pretty much it for this review. I will see you all in my next video. Peace.